Buy one, take one. 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 Dalawa na sa 115 na XL. So, para ma-avail yan, watch this whole video. Hello mga katicha and hello mga kamam. So, Happy New Year sa inyo lahat at para sa ating year-end promo. So, may buy one, take one kami sa Ticho Portal na matcha. So, XL na matcha is buy one, take one mula bukas until supplies last. Kung hanggang saan lang umabot yung aming supply, hanggang dun lang. So, first come, first serve, ika nga nila. Okay? So, that is only for matcha. So, we're going to have it buy one, take one for only 115 pesos only. Dalawang matcha na XL na yan. Okay? So, Happy New Year. Wait, there's more for you to avail. Yung amin buy one, take one na matcha XL premium flavor. Buy one, take one. Dalawa na sa 115 na XL. So, para ma-avail yan, watch this whole video. Then, sa dulo, subscribe, screen record lang. Subscribe nyo yung channel ng The Moms. And yun nyo sa akin, kay Peralta Makilan na messenger. And then, bibigyan namin kayo notification na pwede nyo nang kunin yung inyong buy one, take one na matcha. Okay? So, dito lang yun sa Villa San Mateo 6 branch. And, pwede naman kayong pumunta dito. Pag delivery, may charge na po yun. Kasi, we will deliver it via Lalamove, Mr. Speedy, or Grab Express. Okay po? So, mas maganda yung mas malapit. So, para pupunta na lang. So, available for pick up, walk-in, and dine-in. Okay? Block 6, Lot 30, Villa San Mateo 6. Ulit, finish this video before you subscribe. And yun, hala, okay na. And then like it. No need to comment. Yun lang po para sa ating year-ender special. Ang ingin ng aking background. Boom. Okay? Bye! We also have double cheeseburger for only 155 pesos only. Cheeseburger combo for 120 pesos only. Burger combo for 100 pesos only. We also have footlong combo for 105 pesos only. And the hot dog combo for 90 pesos only. And we also have shawarma combo for only 110 pesos. It for our vlog today. And Happy New Year sa ating lahat. And God bless us all. Thank you, the moms!